guys, welcome back to Our Planner Life. Today I am going to do a plan with me. This is my very first time doing it. I will be doing a spread on my catchall planner. It's a classic happy planner size from January 7th to the 13th. So I am only using one sticker book. I chose to use the Journaling Doodles, which is one of the new sticker books, which is actually the only one that I have because I couldn't find the other ones yet. But I wanted to use them and I wanted to do this challenge and see what I can come up with. I have no idea on what I'm doing for this spread. I just wanted to be looking through the stickers and see what I can create from there. So right now, as you can see, I'm putting borders on this vertical lines on here with some flowers and some leaves, I believe, and I'm just cutting them. I actually did a fast forward type on this this video, so it's not too long. So right now I am actually just cutting it according to the size and the length of the stickers. So I'm gonna do that on all the lines inside. So as you can see, when you are a beginner just starting to make your own spreads, there's really no rules. It's really up to you on what you wanted to do on the spread, and you just kind of look and see what you can do with the stickers, or you can use as many sticker books as you want, as many stickers as you want, and until you actually get a spread going. And sometimes there are times when I already have an idea on what I wanted to do on the spread as far as color schemes and whatnot, but most of the time I really have no idea. And also, looking through some Instagram accounts, it kind of gives you inspiration on how to do your spread. So sometimes you see a lot of beautiful spreads and a lot of actually creative people out there in the planning community. They're very creative, and you get some pointers and ideas on how to do a spread. So sometimes 1, 2, 3, or 4, or even more people will actually inspire me, and then I base my spread on whatever it is that I got inspired with. So it could be just a color, or it could be a type of washi, or it could just be a particular sticker book that got me inspired in creating a spread. So technically there are no rules. You basically do it and do whatever works for you. And the most important thing is, do not ever compare your work with others, because that's what's going to get you get disappointed or kind of get frustrated, because other people's spread is different from yours, and this is your planner, so you make it work for you. So you're not technically making it for someone else, so there's really no comparison, and you can't really compare what you do. And it also helps when you just go ahead and appreciate whatever beauty or whatever it is that you have created, because it's you, right? So now I am just using this washi to kind of make a partition on the page. So I'm thinking on the bottom is where I'm going to be putting my workout schedule. So I wanted just a little space from the very bottom, and that's what I'm doing. I'm putting that washi there, and then I just look at the other pages and see what I can use it for, kind of just to bring more life to the page. I mean, I know it's all just black and white right now, but I'm loving it. I don't know if I'm gonna end up coloring it later on, but I'm liking it so far. And not all the time when you make a spread you're gonna actually like it. I mean, there's a lot of times when I would look at it and I would tell myself, oh, I don't really like that. And if you notice, I would sometimes pick a sticker, put it in one place, and then a few seconds later I decided, oh, I don't want it there, then I'll just take it off and then peel it off and then move it to another location. So it's really pretty much based on how you feel. So I know I put a sticker in a certain location, I don't like it there, then I move it, and then until I find the right spot for it. It's kind of hard to tell where it's supposed to go because there's really no instructions, and I'm not following any guidelines on which particular sticker is gonna go where. So I'm just basing it on how I feel, and if I like it, if I like what I see, then it stays. So now I just keep on flipping through the pages, trying to see what I can use to complete this spread. So I just pretty much go back and forth on the stickers, and while my mind is actually working and thinking whether, oh, I want that one here, or should I add more of these here. So that's pretty much what I do every single week, and it's pretty fun because I'm excited to finish the end product and see how I did. And it kind of feels good when you actually finish a spread and actually like it, you know. It feels good. So now I think I'm almost done with this spread. I want to just add some of these hearts on this side. I feel like it's too bare, so I don't know what else to put on there. So I just put those hearts, and I think I am done with this spread. Put some more flowers, and I think that's it. So let me see what I did. I like it. I like it. One washi and one sticker book. So I think I did great. So there you have it. Thank you guys for staying with me on my very first Plan With Me video. I hope you picked up some lessons or some tips, and hope to see you next time. Bye!